Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome to my basement finishing project. In this episode, we're going to be installing luxury vinyl plank flooring, starting by snapping a chalk line here to establish the very critical first row. So I'm using a high-quality product here from Mannington, and I chose a glue-down version because I'm going directly on the concrete. It's in the basement, and any floating floor system is not ideal if there's any opportunity for future flooding or water or whatever. The glue-down floor will hold up to that, as well as just last for an incredibly long time. So here an adhesive material is being applied. This is specifically designed for this material. So my contractor buddy Tony is putting that down using a notched trowel to leave the right amount of that material exposed. Once that's all down, you wait for that to dry. And once it dries and becomes perfectly clear, you can then put the vinyl tiles themselves down. So for this first row, we're being very, very careful to get it exactly perfectly straight because the whole rest of the floor is going to reference off of this line. So getting this perfectly straight and making sure each of the pieces butt up against each other perfectly on all four corners is one of the keys to getting this to work well. As you'll see in a little bit, once a number of rows of tile have been laid, we'll go back with a 100-pound roller, going back and forth across it a number of times just to make sure there's no air bubbles underneath and to make sure you get perfect adherence to the concrete floor underneath.